Hi, in this video today, I would like to show you a tip to prevent working on a wrong database in Sitecore CMS. Basically, for one instance of the Sitecore, we have three databases: the core, master, and web database. For example, you have to implement the solution for 10 countries. Each country will have one website. So at least you have to manage 10 web database for 10 countries. Assuming you are the content editor and you have to manage the content for all country. So in a case, when you are go to the Sitecore CMS, sometimes you don't know which market, which database you are working on, and maybe it will be update the data and content for a wrong website. So in this video today, I will show you a small tip to prevent this issue in the future. Okay, let's get started. Open the Sitecore CMS, and this one is a launchpad of the Sitecore. Basically, if you are the content editor of the website, so you go to the Sitecore CMS, you can see the content editing section. You can go ahead to click on the content editor, and then you can click on the some item in the content tree on the left hand side here to manage and update the content for each country. By default, the master database will be selected when you are access into the Sitecore CMS. However, for some reason, you already changed by using other web database. For example, we have the web database for the Vietnam market, web Singapore market, Thailand market, US market, and you already changed it for using the US market. And now you don't aware you are working on the web market, but you thought you're working on the master database. Yeah. So maybe for some case, you delete the content and also the content will be removed on the website. So to prevent the issue, instead of going directly to the content view here, you should back to the launchpad of the Sitecore. Instead of click on the content editor here, you should click on the desktop icon in the control panel section. The layout here, it looks similar in the window. We have the desktop background, the taskbar, and start menu. Yeah. So here, on the right corner, we see this is the master database. Yeah. And even you want to change it to other database, click on it, and then you see three database. Because on my PC here, I have only one instance of the Sitecore. So it have only three database by default. Yeah. And then you click on Start button and select the content editor. It will also open the content editor window. This layout looks similar when you have opened the content editor in the content editing section in the launchpad. But it has some plot point here. You see, we know which database we are working on. Yeah. And even when you change it to the web database, it will refresh the window, and then you come again, click on Start button, and select the content editor. Yeah, so now you can go ahead to check some the data in the web database, and you also know which database we are working on. Yeah, okay. Back to the launchpad, click on the content editor. It looks the same, and we have nothing different with the some action here in the content tree and on the top menu, but you cannot see the database we are working on for now. Okay, I hope this small tip will helpful for you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later.